Okay.
So I'm going to put in this carrot,
Yeah.
switching it on. See, it's going the right way. See, I think this one's going to work because it didn't go to the back there. That one's going to work. That one's going to work. Okay, let's try some celery.
That's working fine.
And now it's working. It's when it gets caught at the very back, it kind of acts up.
Keep going.
Now I'm going to do, so after this piece of celery, I'll do some lemon.
Strange how that's working.
It works. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. See there, it's lemon, Mike. You said it doesn't like, or Cole, you said it doesn't like soft food, but it's cool. And then I'm going to do some leaves. I'm showing them the juice coming out because they want to see that.
Okay.
That one worked. It's like, I don't know why it gets caught sometimes in this back one, and then it's is that too much, by the way?
Yeah, I think I would say so.
Okay. Maybe I'm getting a little bit too. So now it's working fine, but it works fine sometimes. Let me just see if I actually sort of make a point. If I go to, no, it works. It's kind of like it just gets at the very back, then it's a problem. Well, there's nothing wrong with the machine, so it must be the